as always, absolutely amazing. That factory, everybody. Did you enjoy the show tonight?
Yeah.
I think we're in such a great crowd, folks. But now that you're in a good mood, I'm sure you are ready to continue your evening. There is plenty of live music happening all around the ship. There is a tribute to Michael Bublé and Frank Sinatra as well, starting at 10:45. That's in the music hall on deck number 8 at the back of the ship with our jazz quartet. At 10:30, that's in about 5 minutes, we have a great party, folks. It's a silent party, isn't it? How can a party be silent? Well, go and check it out. It's up in the solarium, 18 plus only. However, kids, we're gonna have one for you as well, La Spezia evening. So keep your eyes on the cruise compass, but tonight it's 18 plus. Get into any of these elevators, push the button 15, and then you will go up in the beautiful venue, the solarium. We're gonna give you headphones, and then you're gonna party the night away. It's gonna be great. By the way, tomorrow we're not getting into Marseille until 9:30 a.m. That's the scheduled arrival time. So tomorrow morning you can slip in a little bit if you want, and you can of course enjoy your night ride. There is also an ice skating show starting at 10:45 if you do have a reservation. Casino is open as well. Amigos de habla hispana, tenemos fiesta silenciosa a las 10:30 en el solarium. No se la pierdan porque es de verdad muy divertida. Espectáculos de patinaje sobre hielo a las 10:45 y comedia con Roberto Vara en español en el ATEC. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming out. Muchas gracias por venir. Whatever you choose to do it with a big smile on your face. I'm Michele, your cruise director. Ciao, ciao for now. Thank you. Good night.